Step inside the Rodenhurst Road home by Foxglove House, where timeless charm meets modern design in a light-filled, thoughtfully curated family space. This home interior project by Foxglove House in Clapham exemplifies a harmonious blend of traditional charm and contemporary flair, meticulously tailored to suit modern family living. This home showcases a thoughtful design that balances functionality with aesthetic appeal, creating spaces that are both inviting and practical. House 1. Upon entering, one is greeted by a spacious and light-filled interior that seamlessly integrates classic architectural elements with modern design sensibilities. The living areas are characterized by an open-plan layout, promoting a sense of connectivity and flow throughout the home. Large windows and French doors allow natural light to flood the spaces, enhancing the warm and welcoming atmosphere. The kitchen serves as the heart of the home, featuring a contemporary Neptune design that combines elegance with functionality. A central island provides ample workspace and seating, making it an ideal spot for casual dining or social gatherings. High-quality materials and finishes, such as quartz countertops and bespoke cabinetry, contribute to the kitchen's sophisticated aesthetic. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers a comfortable space for family meals, with direct access to the rear garden, facilitating an effortless indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Throughout the home, the decor reflects a curated mix of vintage and eclectic pieces, adding character and personality to each room. Thoughtful touches, such as custom-built storage solutions and carefully selected color palettes, demonstrate a keen attention to detail. They also reflect a deep understanding of the homeowner's needs and preferences. The bedrooms are designed to provide restful retreats, with the master suite featuring an ensuite bathroom and ample closet space. Additional bedrooms are well-proportioned and versatile, accommodating the evolving needs of a growing family. Bathrooms are appointed with modern fixtures and finishes, ensuring both comfort and style. Outdoor spaces are equally considered, with a landscaped garden offering a serene environment for relaxation and entertainment. The integration of greenery and outdoor living areas underscores the home's emphasis on creating a holistic and harmonious living experience.